Today's the day of the Chris Ledoux concert. We're on our way, getting all prepared, gonna head out and maybe stopping. I don't know, but anyway, this is gonna be an awesome day. I can't wait for this. So we're about ready to head out to the Iron Butterfly concert. Getting ready to get into my Grand Cherokee here. I think it'll get us there, you know, no matter how bad traffic is, because with this 24-inch lift I got on this thing, we're gonna get there. Oh yeah. Anyway, it's gonna be a nice day today as we get ready for this Perry Como concert, and I'm getting all hyped up and excited. I can't wait to get there. We are headed out to go check out Ronnie Van Zant. Here we stopped, picked up Grizzly Adams. Here you see, we gotta take Grizzly Adams with us. He decided he wanted to go see Leonard Skinner too. As we prepare to go see the Who, you know, it's starting to get hot outside. Oh, the Who, by the way, in case you don't know who that is, Mongolia metal band. They're awesome. You should stop by and check them out. They'll be here in Yukon, Oklahoma here in a little while. So we're almost here at the Oklahoma City Gun Show. I can't wait for this. I mean, there's going to be some awesome guns in there. We're going to check this out. All right, we made it here to the car show. This is going to be an awesome day. We got lots of cars sitting out over here to check out. Some beautiful things out in there. Here we got Bumblebee from Transformers.
Why can't I take 3 seconds to look at a car? Because I got a better one.
So pretty, huh? The Autobots emblem. Beautiful. Lambo doors on this Camaro. Listen to this baby purr.
Me too.
Nice and clean.
Thank you. Beautiful, huh?
All right, man. Okay.
Yeah, it is.
Huh? Do you want to hear it?
Pure American muscle. Look at that.
No, this one's actually.
Look at this Ford with suicide doors on it. Look at that paint job. Isn't that beautiful? Pretty car.
Can't touch it.
1934.
Just peek in, don't climb in. It's pretty small in there, isn't it? No, we're not gonna go in.
Want to get on a bouncy house? Look, angel feather.
Hey, you want to look at some more cars? Hold my hand. Hold my hand.
Ooh. 327. I want the engine.
Here, listen to this.
Yeah.
Some more American muscle right here. Look at this beauty. This is sharp. Nice throaty exhaust. Look at that pretty purple color. 1929 Plymouth Roadster. This thing is shiny.
Lacey. Truck.
Boxman. (1957) Chevy. They put fuel in. They put fuel injection in here.
Put a Corvette engine in there.
Fuel injection emblem on the side.
Really?
Right there. Yeah, that's an LS one.
Todavía lo están
I
restaurando.
don't know nothing about cars, but I mean that's a Corvette engine.
Mete la cabeza y mire para atrás.
Tell the 1957 because it's got the big tail fins back here.
That's not original.
Yeah.
Looks fairly updated with all the gauges.
Nice
Nice and pretty. Here's a nice Chevy wagon. They got this thing all polished up, shiny. Look at that. Look at these seats. These have got some spinnable seats. Seats rotate to get out of here. Look at that. Ooh, nice. See those seats?
Yeah.
57 Chevy Bel Air station wagon. Isn't she a beauty? Flag commemorating the boys in blue. Chevy Bel Airs are so beautiful. I want one someday. I want a 55.
Look at all the work he did to this thing. Brennan, that's what it looked like.
This is a Bel Air that I like. Got a nice prettied up in here. Looks like the engine out of a Corvette. The Ram Jet Air in here. Nice, fuel injected. This is a 1955 Chevy. Wow. Somebody spent some money. They kept the dash all original. Very nice. Even the trunk is original. Everything in here looks good. Somebody spent some money to keep this thing with original kind of colors. Beautiful. I like this gas tank on this kit car here. Like a big bathtub you can sit and dry. No mufflers, straight headers. Rust or bust, Hemi powered. Look at this car. It's pretty awesome. It's only got like 5 inches or 6 inches of ground clearance on the back side here, but underneath, I bet it don't have near that much. That's how you heat up the air. Get this thing to start easier. Put a hair dryer on it. Look at the inside of this. Wow, it's got an old hand drill right there for the gear shift. Somebody spent some time on this rat rod to put it in good condition, but old at the same time. 1931 car here. Being pulled by this old rusty bus. Hence rust or bust. Intentionally left rusty and old looking like this. Got the noisy chicken. Department of rat rods. It's pretty cool. Ooh, they got an engine block under here to hold the table up. It's pretty
Walk
awesome.
on through, you can come up the other end.
Oh, awesome.
The
Cool.
parts are dead back there.
Converted this bus into a motor home. Put a sink in here. Couple couches that'll turn into a bed.
El vaquero.
TV in here. I guess this is the John right there. Do your business in there.
This little bus
Nice.
is very
License.
deceiving.
License plate, seat covers, and car curtains. Air conditioner. You gotta have one of those in Oklahoma. Here we come out the back door. Exiting the bus. Ken found himself an old car over here to sit in and get somebody to fire it up. That is pretty. Gas tank back here in the back. Doors open up backwards, you see that? Isn't that awesome?
I like the old cars anyway. They had all the gauges in there.
Oh,
Not today.
Cold start with a brand new engine in this vet. Got 300 miles on it. They said it's going to be a difficult one to start up, but we'll see how it goes and see what it sounds like. Ooh, listen to that. Pump, 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 pump that gas.
See, that's what I mean. Squirt that. Fight that. Shoot it. Pull the top off.
You gotta stick some starting fluid in there to get the gas started through that carburetor.
You seen the way they start drag cars? How you gotta shoot a little alcohol in it?
Yep. It's got a blower on there.
Fuel injected and
Starting fluid in the throat.
Great, Jerry.
That sounds mean.
Yeah, the motor's only got 300 miles on it. We've got a few bugs we're still working out of it. The car will scream. Runs better than good. It don't look
Oh, I think it looks awesome.
You ever seen a Corvette that don't shine?
Never seen a Corvette with a wrap on it.
Right on, bro. I'm a little different. I don't know about you guys. I enjoy it.
Never seen one all signed by Beth either.
Yeah, all these are all veterans. You see this signature? Yeah. That one right there? That's his. That's his car. Because he's one of my buddies. See, Berlin crisis, World War II, North Korea, Vietnam helicopter pilot.
Look at this.
Speeds vary and are not guaranteed in certain cases.
A nice
Wi-Fi
long
hotspots
car
will frequently be
here.
required for extended coverage. Restrictions apply.
Oh, I haven't seen one of these for a long time. Oh, pretty. long hood to look down. While we're here at the National Finals Rodeo, I noticed right here behind me they got this place set up for kids to go turkey hunting, man. You see that? The kids out there all shooting each other and stuff. I don't know what's going on, but man, they're having lots of fun over there. I don't know why they got turkey hunting at the National Finals Rodeo though. While we're out here at this restaurant, you know, going out for, I tried to order a steak and they told me, you know, I gotta choose where my steak's coming from. I gotta decide which one I want to eat, you know. So yeah, I ain't figured I want the black one or the white one, but Michael Jackson said it don't matter if it's black or white, so we'll see which one we get. You coming over to say hi? Coming up to see me? Oh, let's go. I think we want the black steak. Well, this steak restaurant, they really like it fresh. I'm waiting for my eggs, and I guess they'll be here any time now. Steak and eggs, you know. Got a little side order of lamb fries. I had to come pick them, choose which ones, you know, I'm gonna have. This one seems to take a liking, but I don't know. Who's got the biggest fries? Holy crap, man! They told me that these horses were wild, and I should be careful when trying to ride these things. I don't know, but these things right here, well, don't pay attention to the sign, but these things right here, these things are dangerous, man. You don't want to get on. This thing done throwed me off 3 times already. Drinking too much. This is my hairstyle after working on a truck out there in the heat.
Yeah,
Beautiful, right?